Alright, let's do this. What is happening, family? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Rush Athletics vlog. Got a wicked day planned. Just want to take you along for the ride. Little day in the life vlog. It's been a while. I hope you're all keeping well. And yeah, man, summer has started officially. We have got Brett from Golfing Simulators down. He's going to be setting up our new golf simulator, so I'm super excited about that. And yeah, just take you along for the ride and my day. So as always, sit back, relax. Hopefully you enjoy this video. Alright, what's the plan of action today, mate? What are we up to?
Plan of action is to put Rush's new sim back in play.
Nice.
Get him practicing and see if he can improve his handicap.
There we go. This is the space right now, peeps. How's this setup work exactly, mate?
Reasonably long aluminium bars, which basically just screw together.
The black and yellow branding as well, like that.
Just colours to colour, so yellow to yellow.
Yeah.
Just clip in to your yellow bracket.
So you're just basically essentially just putting up frames, so nothing's being drilled into the floor.
No fixings whatsoever, don't need any tools, everything just clips in, screws together. Don't need to fix anything, no tools required.
Tidy. How does it work with the instruction stuff? You're going to set them up with how to fit it all together?
Yeah, it's going to be on YouTube, be a YouTube video of exactly how it all goes together, a little pamphlet, colour to colour, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Yeah
guys, we're getting like a nice little corner set up here. So like if you were to have like a garage or like a little garden set up or a little kind of studio or shed or something, literally it's just a right wall, then the hitting zone, and then you can literally still put like stuff on the floor and then move it when you want to hit balls, right? News, peeps, we've got another shipment come through and we are right now on the website selling everything with 20% off, trying to get you geared up for the summer. Our annual summer sale is back live, people, so you get 20% off if you use the code FLY20 online right now. We ship worldwide and it's free delivery everywhere in the world, every single corner covered when you spend £50 or over, right? I'm gonna quickly take you through the setup right now. So you've been seeing the tutorials happen here in the middle. Got to rejig a few little shelves as well around the corner here so we can put all the new stock in. Otherwise the warehouse is kind of looking clean, kind of looking neat. Good for me anyway right now. Plan is we get the packaging table somewhere around here. Studio space gets opened up, and then when Liz comes a little bit later on, she'll be able to be close to the ropes, all the ropes, minimize some walking steps. But we're getting there, man. This is starting to take a bit of shape. Alright people, we are picking up the vlog a couple of days later. So if you're still sticking around watching this, appreciate you. Brett is back in the HQ. He had to get a couple of little bits and pieces to finish the job, so we're going to check in on him. And yeah, I think you're going to like what we've done with the space. Been working hard to kind of like neaten it all up, make it a little bit more homely and more vibey. And yeah, I think you'll like it. Let me show you. Alright, let me show you now what this space is looking like. We go.
Exciting times ahead. Exciting
times ahead. We're going to try and finish this off today. Here we go. So no more shelf now on this side wall. No more mess and rubbish. There's just a bit of mess on my desk, but I'll sort that out. Trying to go for the loungy, vibey little route here. And today we are fitting the projector on the wall and also getting the branded screen up. So I'm sure that's going to look super nice and fire. Plan of action going forward, people, for the next few years for RA is to be a lot more streamlined, a lot more efficient here in the UK at least, just to make sure that we can fulfill the orders from here and nearby countries. Ultimately, I just want to make sure that whoever wants an RA rope can get one as soon as they can, and also at the most affordable prices. So I'm going to stock in as many fulfillment centers close to wherever you are in the world. That way you get the product quicker, you get it cheaper, and I don't really need to then have as much space somewhere here to hold it all. What's the next steps?
Projector up, branding up.
Branding, nice.
Let's get a bit of Rush Athletics going. Check out Rush Athletics' new enclosure by Golf Box. We've got a new corner series in place, slightly different to what you're used to seeing. We've got one sidewall, 2 meters 40, one screen, 2 meters 40. So we've got no left-hand sidewall. The roof comes across as a corner, so when you're in here hitting balls, got full clearance of the swing, yet the ball is still protected under the main part of the roof. As soon as you're not golfing, you've got all the space to still park your car, still put your warehouse space, still use it as you wish. But when you're golfing, we've got a perfectly clean space. This is a right hand series, everything you need for your space.
Look what we got here. Have a look at how I've just tidied this place up.
It's changed a lot since I came last week.
Yeah. So our Alicia here manages all the back end of RA, all the operations.
This is very stressful for me.
Don't worry, I'll sort that all out.
But it looks good.
Looks good, right?
Look at this, look at all the mats. Wow.
Look at that. Put all the mats in a nice little
Oh,
section.
it looks brilliant.
I just need to sort these boxes out, put them on the shelves.
Good work.
Yeah. What's your plan of action today?
I've got a list of things to do.
List of things.
So
You're gonna help me with some orders. Your busted toe.
I wasn't planning to, but I can.
No.
And,
You gotta stay off your feet. How's it all going?
It's good. Nearly done.
Any cool countries going out today? What have we got here?
Kuwait, US.
USA always repping hard.
These are US, both of them, and this one is Canada.
Mate,
Superb,
appreciate
mate.
it.
Look forward to coming back.
Hey, you gotta slow down now, okay?
It's really difficult now.
They're gonna cuss me now. They're gonna be like, why is he making her walk around when she's got a broken toe? I'm gonna get in trouble.
This is not good for health and safety.
No, you need to be off your feet now.
I just want to help you. I feel so useless.
No. You're doing alright. I can handle this. I got this.
Wow, I've done most of them now. Nice one. Please can you get me 5 white socks in size small?
See,
5
look.
pairs. Someone's ordered 5 pairs.
Are these small? No, these are large. Audrey. Shout out to Audrey. Repping the RA socks. Audrey, if you're watching this, appreciate you. By the way, these are banging, guys, man. Remember, right now we've got 20% off. I'm gonna remind you again, 20% off everything online, limited time only. You can pick these up for a bargain, and all the ropes, all the clothing. What do you reckon? Crazy. Crazy sale.
Crazy sale.
What we did.
We're helping customers out because we're good like that.
This is how she sorts out her little basket. Mine, I'll just chuck it in there, to be fair.
Now I've got a system. This is for you for tomorrow, by the way.
Oh, right,
You're
fine.
packing it, but I'm just getting it ready for you.
That's nice of you. You can't even see you now. It's a little hiding spot.
Just hide here.
Is it a little bit too tight what I've done here?
No, it's fine for me.
It's alright.
Won't fit my trolley, but
What are you getting there?
someone's ordered a camo elevate mask.
Banging. People
Yeah.
don't even know I do training masks, man. These are sick for when you're skipping. And training. Who here?
It's here. I think it might be DHL.